This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Start building your dream home today. Quality new construction in desirable Michael's Woods. The fur model has an open concept floor plan with multiple options to suit your lifestyle. Alternate floor plan options include first floor primary suite/dual primary suites with private bathrooms and large walk-in closets. Attractive luxury vinyl flooring throughout the first floor. Chef's kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and pendant lighting. Relax in your private backyard with rear patio backing to wooded area. Covered front porch. 2-car garage. Choose all of your finishes to suit your style. Convenient access to interstates, bases, shipyard, nature parks, shopping and restaurants. All new homes include a 1-year builder's warranty. Delivery summer 2024. There are a limited number of lots, so call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank.